Hi, I'm back, and you're back. This is fantastic. What a beautiful time to be alive. Okay, let's move on with the maths. The next topic we're going to have a look at is averages. This video will be the first installment of a two-part box set all about averages. How amazing is that? Okay, so let's get started on the question, which goes like this. The average height of 3 boys is 1.15 meters. A fourth girl, whose height is 1.35 meters, is added to the group. What is the average height now of the group? The best place to start on a question like this is with the formula. The formula for working out an average, like the mean, is mean equals total height of the group divided by the number of people in the group. So the total heights of everybody in the group would, if there are 3 boys and the average height is 1.15, then the total height would be 3 times 1.15, which equals 3.45. So I'm going to draw out a little model to represent that. 3 boxes for the 3 people, and each one on average is 1.15 meters. In reality, I'm sure those 3 boys are not 1.15 meters tall, but we're talking about averages. So it doesn't matter their individual heights, just that on average, they are each 1.15 meters. Okay, so the question stated, if a fourth person came to the group who was 1.35 meters tall, then there would be a whole new average for everybody in the group. So what we need to do is work out the total height of the group now. Add all those people together to get the total, and that is 3.45 plus 1.35 equals 4.80. Okay, so if I draw out another model again, 4 boxes, they all total 4.8, so I need to know what height represents one person. So simply we divide 4.8 by 4, and that equals 1.2. So the height of each person is 1.2 meters. And on to the second part of the question. 2 more girls, Becky and Jane, are now added to the group. The new average height is 1.3 meters. If Becky is 1.24 meters tall, how tall is Jane? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to work out the total height for everybody in the group. So we know there's 6 people now, so 6 times 1.3 equals 7.8. So if I were to draw out 6 boxes with each person representing 1.3 meters, those last 2 boxes would be double that, so 2.6. So Becky and Jane, those 2 heights added together are worth 2.6 meters. And we are told that Becky is 1.24, so with a little bit of subtraction, we can work out the height of Jane. So 2.6, take away 1.24, I'll write it out in a column subtraction. I need to borrow 1 from the left column, and we get a final answer of 1.36 meters. Okay, well done for working through that question. Have a go at the questions below for further practice so you can really master your first installment of averages.